Hi, hello everyone. This is Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel Math Super Tips and Tricks. Today's video, I'm using the magical 10 tips to crack MSET easily. Only 10 tips are enough for this topic. We can maximum cover the previous MSET questions. From this topic, nearly 4 to 5 questions will come. It's a very important topic, but theoretical topic you have to follow carefully, reading question and giving the data. Then we can using the magical tips. Compulsory, you can get the maximum number of questions in final examination. Are you ready to watch? Yes, this video is for you only. Now, what is this topic? Can you guess by these figures? Yes, this is clearly we can observe that by these figures, this is a nothing but circles. Circles is one of the major chapter. From this, nearly 4 to 5 questions will come in final MSET. Circles in the circles and system of circles together, we can take it as a circles only. Both are similar. Little bit extension is there in system of circles. Circles very well. We can follow system of circles easily. Now, without delay, briefly I will explain about these 10 magical tips. Are you ready? Yes, come on. Now, first one, circle, general equation of circle is denoted as is in the form of x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. What is relation with the circle with the axis? Circle relation with the axis, x axis, y axis. If the circle is touches the x axis, what is the condition? G square is equal to c. Touches the y axis, f square is equal to c. Touches both the axis, g square is equal to f square is equal to c. These are the conditions when the circle touches x-axis, y-axis or both the axes. Is it clear? Now come to the next tip. Circle with the line. We will do the line as well as circle. What is the relation between them? So here also we can observe the three cases. If the line touches the circle, if the line intersects the circle, if the line do not intersect the circle. In these three cases, what is the condition? Here, first case, if line touches the circle, condition is r is equals to d, where r is what? Radius of the circle, you know very well. D is distance from center to the line. And in case of intersect the circle, if this line is intersect the circle, what is the relation between the r and d? R should be greater than d. In case of by this figure only, you can understand what is the relation. Here r is means this distance is clearly more than this distance. This is a small d. D is nothing but distance from center to the line. D is what? Distance from center to the line. Briefly, you have to know. And on third case, if line is do not intersect the circle, means it is far away from the circle, what is the condition? R should be less than D. This is second tip. This is a relation from circle to a line. Now come to the tip number 3. If we ask equation of circle which touches the both the axis, some radius r in the first coordinate have given here. Q1 means first coordinate. Similarly, you can get the remaining 3 coordinates also. How it is, we can look at here. What is this equation of circle touches both the axis in the first coordinate with a radius r. So like this will be, you can observe that figure. The equation of circle is in the form of x square plus y square minus 2rx minus 2ry plus r square is equals to 0. He may ask the circle equation, he may ask the maybe center and radius and so on. If we give the circle with radius touches both the axes, you can use this tip. Now look at the fourth one. Circle equation passing through the points. There will be 3 points. 0, 0 is origin. A comma 0, A is A comma 0 is on the x-axis. B 0 comma B is on the y-axis. Circle is passing through these 3 points. Then equation of circle is in the form of x square plus y square minus ax minus by is equal to 0. In this case, we can observe that clearly where AB are ends of diameter of a circle. What are they? AB are ends of a diameter. Is it clear? Now come to the next point. If the 2 points are given like this, ax1 y1, bx2 y2, those are conjugate points with respect to the circle s is equal to 0. Then the condition is s12 is equals to 0. S12 equation, how can you write? You know very well. All those general points I'm not explaining. When we need, there in question I will explain. But what are the conditions? Magical 10 tips I'm explaining in this video. Is it clear? Now, What is the condition when the 2 points are conjugate points with respect to the circle S is equal to 0? S1 is equals to 0. Now come to the 6th point. If there will be two different lines like this, L1x plus M1y plus N1 is 0, L2x plus M2y plus N2 is 0 are conjugate lines with respect to the standard equation of circle. This is called a standard equation. That is x square plus y square r square. Then the condition is r square of L1 L2 plus M1 M2 is equals to N1 N2 in case of standard equation is given. Same lines are conjugate with respect to the general equation. You know, I explained you what is the general equation. According to this equation, what is the condition? G square plus f square minus a. G square plus f square minus c indirectly r square. And L1 L2 plus M1 M2, this thing is equals, in place of N1 N2 what you can write? L1G plus M1F minus N1 you have to, in place of plus we can write here minus, into same in the second equation, L2 in place of x we can take in as a G, sorry this is G, this is F, okay, I will write this is one more step here, I did it wrong, okay, right, L2G plus M2F, right, M2F minus N2, right. So G square plus F square minus C of L1 L2 plus M1 M2 is equals to L1G plus M1F minus N1 of L2G plus M2F minus N2. This is condition when the lines are conjugate lines with respect to the circle S is equal to 0. These conditions you may give the directly also. This is a condition given directly in one of the mains, previous mains question it is given. Like that you may give the conditions directly also, we can use in case of solutions. Right, now come to the next tip number 7. You may ask the maximum, minimum and maximum values of minimum and maximum distance from P to the circle S is equal to 0. What we have to know? We have to know that minimum and maximum distance of a point. What is a point here? Some x1, y1 to the circle S0. This is a modulus of Cp minus r and a modulus of Cp plus r. Where C is center of the circle, you know, R is radius of the circle. So that is simply minimum and maximum distances of point to the circle. Now, you may ask the sum of the distances. If we ask the sum of these distances, simply by adding what happened, minus r plus r gets cancelled, immediately you can get the 2 times of mod Cp, means distance between the center to the point. That's it. So very, very simple, very, very important. Now, magical tip number 8. Now, what is that? Angle between the tangents from x1, y1 to the circle S is equal to 0. You may ask the angle between the tangents, maybe you may give the angle between the tangents, some unknown value will ask. In such cases, we can use where theta is angle between them. What is formula? Tan theta by 2 is equals to r by root S11. You know what is r radius of the circle? Root S11 means we can substitute the point in the circle equation. You know very well that is. So now we can come to the tip number 9. Length of chord of the circle. This is very, very important. These two are depends on length of the chord of a circle. Length of chord of a circle of a line L is equal to 0 intercept the circle. Suppose line intercept the circle like this, we can find out this distance AB, that is called the length of the chord. That formula is 2 root over r square minus d square. What is our radius of circle? D is distance from center to that line. This is also will give the directly or indirectly. You may ask the distance, maybe you may ask the distance, you may give the distance, you may ask some other unknown result, right? But you have to know the what is a tip to give clearly. Now, in this case, between the 9 to 10, there will be difference here. Here directly line and intercept the length of intercept will ask. But here what will give in place of AB will give the parametric points like A theta 1, B theta 2 are parametric points, then length of this chord. Length of this chord formula under modulus 2r sine of theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2. These are the various amazing magical tips to crack the previous MSET easily. How it is, we can look at the questions, you can get the clear idea. Are you ready? Now, without delay, we'll start the questions. Right? Yes, ready with the question number 1 is given that MSET 2013. Here given that the circle 4x square plus 4y square minus 12x minus 12y plus 9 is equal 0 is given that options. I didn't give the options here. Touches the x-axis, touches y-axis, both the axes, like that it has given as options. Just we have to observe that this circle position with the axis. I given to you tip number 1 that I am using. What that? We can check g square is equal c, f square is equal c. Maybe both are equals to g square, f square is equal to c. Touches both the axes. We will see what is g here for this solution. For this solution, first what we have to collect? 2z is a 4, well, and 2f is, 2z. Instead of that one, first we have to divide this circle in the standard form. To get into standard form, divide by 4 first of all. X square plus y square minus 4, 3. 3x minus 4, 3y plus 9 by 4 is becomes like this. First we have to register the given equation is general form or not. How you know this general form or not? X square quotient, y square quotient should be 1, then only it is in the general form. Then we can take x quotient is 2z, y quotient is 2f, then it is a constant. You know very well all this. Now we are using here by dividing the 4. Then what is 2z here? 2z is a minus 3, 2f is a minus 3, c is a 9 by 4. Now you can check the g square is equals to, what is g here? Minus 3 by 2. G square means 9 by minus 3 by 2 whole square, 9 by 4 is also equals to f square is also equals to c. Means our g square f square equals to c. This is clearly the circle touches both the axes. Done. The question is solved within fraction of seconds. Within fraction of seconds by using the tip number 1. Is it clear? Now move to the second question. It is given that MSET, this is also given MSET 2013. It is given that length of tangent from HK to the circle, this symbol I am using for complete circle, I am using the 0 LE, that is circle. X square plus y square is equal to 60. Twice the length of tangent from the same point to the other circle. Two circles are given. It is given that length of tangent from first circle, for point HK to the first circle is twice. Twice means what? Double. From the same point to the second circle. General point, that is the length of tangent. What is length of tangent to the circle? What is length of tangent from a point to the circle formula? Root S11. Root S1. Here two different types of circles are there. This is circle S if you think. This is S dash you can think. What is given that solution? Length of tangent from this to first circle, that is root S11. If you think first circle is as S is equal to double 2 times of root S dash 11. So I can think this is S dash. Now we can substitute what is S11 means substitute that same point in the place of HK. You know very well that I am using h square plus k square. Here I am avoiding the square roots also. This is S11 is equals 4 times of S dash 11. Now completely we can add S11 means what? This is h square plus k square. We can take 16 becomes minus 16 here right left side. And what about this is 4 of S dash 11 means same we can substitute in the second circle equation. That is x square plus k square plus 2h plus 2k is 2k. Now by this expansion what you can get? 4h square minus h square is 3h square. And plus 4k square, this becomes minus k square is 3k square, as well as constant means for h term 4 to 8h plus 8h and k term 4 to 8k. What is constant here? Minus 16. Minus 16 we can take that side, that becomes plus 16 equals to 0. This is only our required result. So is given that here general point I used here, that is the length of tangent from a point to the circle. What is the length of tangent from a point to the circle? Root S11. Is it clear? Now move to the next question. Right. This is the question number 3, MSET 2014. It's given. What is the given question here? First, a circle with center 2, 4 is such that the line is given, center of the circle is given, cuts a chord of length 6 means what is given that this is circle, this is a line, chord, this length is given. Suppose if you take AB distance is given as 6 units, center of the circle is given, line equation is given. What is the line equation here? X plus y plus 2 is equals to 0. Then he is asking radius of the circle. Here we can use the length of chord concept, tip number 9. Length of chord, if you know the center and radius of circle, we can find out length of the chord. What is the length of chord formula? From the tip number 9, 2 root r square minus d square is given as 6 is given. Now we can find out r square means radius means r we have to find out. How can you find out? Take the cross multiplication here and squaring r square minus d square. 2 3's cancel, 3 square is a 9. What is the d? What is d? Distance from center to this line, you know, that is d. Distance between the point to the line, you know very well. In place of x we can take 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 by root a square plus b square is 2. So this is 8 by root 2. What is a d is 8 by root 2. R square minus 8 by root 2 whole square is 64 by 2 is equal to 64 by 2 is equals to 9. By the simplification you can get the r value. By the simplification of the r square is equal to 9 plus 64 by 2. From that easily you can collect the r. R is nothing but radius of the circle. Is it clear? Now we look at the question number 4 is given in EAMCET 2017. Here what are given? A pi by 3, B pi by 6. You know these clearly are known as parametric points. Given mentioned clearly parametric forms also. In the center of the circle 0 0 radius of the circle is 12. Then the circle, then the chord of length to the circle, then the chord AB length. Here also asking the length of the chord AB, but what are given here? Here given the two parametric points. Now use the tip number 10. That is what? Parametric points. Length of the chord formula 2r sine of mod theta, theta 1 minus theta 2 by 2 under modulus. You know clearly given the radius is how much? 12. R is given theta 1 theta 2. These two taken as this is theta 1, this is theta 2. Now what is 2r? 2 r 12, 2 4 is 24. 2 12 is 24, right? 2 into r is 12. 2 12 is 24 into sine of theta 1 minus theta 2. Pi by 3 minus pi by 6 is pi by 6 by 2, pi by 12. Pi by 12 in the sense sine pi by 12 is 15 degrees. What is sine 15 degrees? You know very well. Sine 15 is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root. Therefore, this is a root 3 minus 1 by 2 root. By the cancellation of this is root is 12 into root 3 minus 1 by root 2. By the simplification it becomes 6 root 2 into root 3 minus 1. By the rationalization with the root 2 we can get this solution. How it is, you know very well, simplifications. Okay, is it clear? These are the various questions. First 4 questions I did which are given in the previous EAMCET. Here among these 4 questions, 3 questions are by the tips only I did. This is only general idea about the formula. Is it clear? Now let's look at the next question, number 5. In this question what you can observe that consider the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 12, the equation of tangent to the circle parallel to this line. We can find out the equation of tangent to that circle which is parallel to this line. So a line parallel to this line you have to take first, that is tangent to the circle. That equation you have to find out. Indirectly we want to collect the equation of tangent which is parallel to this. Is simply I am drawing one figure, simple figure. This is a given line somewhere else. This is tangent which is parallel to this line. We can find out this equation of tangent. Equation of tangent means clearly it touches the circle. If the line touches the circle according to tip number 2 are given to condition. What is that condition? R is equals to D. That condition I am going to use here. Tip number 2. First of all, what is a line? This line is 4x plus 3y plus 5. Parallel to that line, you know formula very well. 4x plus 3y with plus some k is equals 0. If the any line is parallel to the one line, only constant will be differ. This is 5. Instead of 5, you can take some general constant k. It is tangent to this circle. What is the condition? R is equals to D. What is the R? Radius of this circle, you know very well, root over minus 3 whole square 9 plus 2 square 4 with plus 12. You know what is radius of circle formula? Root over g square plus f square minus c. That only I use here. And distance from point to the line, center of this circle. What is center of this circle? 3 comma minus 2. From center to this line we have to find out this line. Distance, you know that is 4 into 3 is 12. plus 3 into minus 2 minus 6 plus k by root over 16, 4 square 16 plus 9 25, root 25 is a 5. By the simplification here 9 plus 4 13 plus 12 25, root 25 is 5, 5 5 is 25 is equals to 6 plus k. Under modulus you can use a plus or minus, 6 plus k indirectly plus or minus 25. So by taking the minus 25 it becomes k is a minus 31. If take the plus 25 k is a 19. But in here I didn't give the options. In that question given options there is a in place of k is minus 31. Means what is the required equation? 4x plus 3y minus 31. That's why this plus or minus concept is important. Don't take only simply plus, we can use a plus or minus according to the options, which one is there, that one you have to choose. Is it clear? So simply you have to use the modulus, under modulus means plus or minus. Now look at the next question. This is given MSET 2017. Now indirectly I use the tip number 2. Now question number 6 is given MSET 2016. At the point where the line and touches a circle, you have to find out the point where the line touches the circle. This is a line touches the circle, you want this point. You know that clearly indirectly this point lies on the line as well as a circle. So just you have to check the options verification, which point lies on the line first of all. If there will be repetition in the options, we can check in the circle also. But here given options there is no repetition. So we'll check it. It is lies on the line. Which point is lies on the line? First you can check according to the first option. 1, 4 into 1, 4, minus 3, 1, 1 plus 7 not 0, therefore first option is not correct. Second option, in place of the x 1, 4, minus or minus plus 3, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 7 is not at all 0, it is not a second option. Now can move to the third option, 4 into minus 1, minus 4, 3 into minus 3 into 1, minus 3, minus 4, minus 3 is minus 7 plus 7. Yes, it may be third option. You can come to the fourth option also. Minus 4 here, minus 4 plus 3, minus 1 plus 7 is not at all 0. Therefore, fourth option is not correct. Means here there is no repetition. Immediately you can pick up the third option. Suppose if there is a repetition, what you have to do? You have to check the same point on the circle also. Because it lies on both circle and line. Like that we can use some options verification. Options verification also very useful, especially in geometry mainly. Not only geometry, mainly we are using the geometry case. Is it clear? Now we will look forward some more questions. Now what is the next question? Is given that MSET 2016 in the AP state. What is the question I am reading out? The normal drawn at P minus 1 to the circle, so circle meets the circle at another point. You know what is meaning of normal? Normal is line perpendicular tangent, and in case of circle it must be passing through center. Indirectly given that the line passing through the point some P minus 1, 2 and meets the circle at another point. We want this point. What is this point is asking. So normal is always passing through the center of the circle. That is one of the major point you have to remember. P point is given, indirectly asking the Q point. So you know that clearly diameter means what? Center must be midpoint of the ends of the diameter. You know what is center of this circle here? 1, 1. Center of the circle, you know, minus a minus f, you can take 1, 1. This point for our convenience taken as some hk. What is the midpoint formula? You know, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Means c is equals to, the center is equals to midpoint of 1, 1 is midpoint of these two. H minus 1 by 2, k plus 2 by 2. By equating x coordinate to x coordinate, y coordinate to 1, h minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 means h minus 1 is 2, indirectly h is a 3 and k plus 2 by 2 is equals to 1, k is plus 2 is 2, k is equals to 0. Therefore, the point Q becomes 3, 0. The point Q means other end of the diameter indirectly is asking, that is a 3, 0. It is given that AP State 2016. Same model question, same year MSET 2016 given in TS State. So I am not doing this is given for your work. YW means your work. Same way you can find out the normal to this circle at 8, 8. In place of P minus 1, 2, you are given that 8, 8 meets the circle again at the point. What is that point? Like Q, you have to find out that point. Can you? Yes, you can try. This is yourself. Same model, same year given in AP state as well as TS state. Okay, are you ready for next questions? Now immediately we can start the next questions. Look forward, right? Yes, ready for next question. Okay, what is the next question? You can look at here. Is given an answer 2016 as the ninth question are given. For all real values of k, the polar of the point with respect to this circle through the point means what? The polar of point at this one to the circle passing through which point is asking. First we have to find out polar of point at this polar of the circle at this point. We have to find out. In this point given there's some k is what? Any real number. You know what is the equation of polar? What is the equation of polar is? S1 is equals to 0. If you use directly by using this point in the circle S1 is 0. S1 means what? You can write xx1 plus yy1 minus 2 of x plus x1 minus 3 of y plus y1. You can take plus 1 is equal to 0. You can take, you know, that is. But in place of x1 and y1, if you take directly k, it becomes too lengthy. Instead of k, what you have to do? When with the amazing tip, I'm using elimination of k, then we can get the point very simple. Better, what is a k is given any real number. I'm taking the real number k is 0. Suppose k is 0, what happened? This point becomes 0 comma minus 4. We can take any value, not only 0. Better take the 0, it's easy. Then 0 comma minus 4. We can find out equation of polar now. What is the equation of polar? S1 is equal to 0, that is xx1. This is taken as now x1 y1, right? So xx1, x1 is 0 plus y1 is minus 4. We can take off of this is minus 4 of minus 2 of x plus x1 is 0 plus here minus 6 of minus 3, half of the minus 6 minus 3 of y plus y1 is minus 4 plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, this is the equation. We can observe what is this equation. This is 0. This is minus 2x, right? Minus 4y minus 3y minus 7y, right? Here minus 2 0, okay. Minus 3 plus 4 12 is equals to 0. But taking the minus is common. This is 2x minus plus 7y minus 12 is equals 12 plus this one is also there. It becomes 13. 13 minus 13 equals to 0. Now look at the option. This is passing through which point? We have to check. What is the first option? 1 comma 1, 1, 2, 2 plus 7 minus 13. Is it 0? No. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 minus 13, not at all 0. Therefore, first option is not correct one. Right? This is not first option. Second option you can look at. What 2 into 1, 2 minus 7. 2 minus 7 is minus 5 minus 13 is not 0. Therefore, second option is also not correct. Third option, minus 3. 2 3 is minus 6 plus 7 plus 1 minus 13 is not 0. This is also not correct. What is left for finally? Fourth option. That is only you can check. See, 2 3 6 6 plus 7 13. 13 minus 13 0. Therefore 100% is fourth option. Actually no need to check. Already 3 options are eliminated. Rest of them is fourth option. But even the for your verification purpose I checked it. Is it clear? Like that we can use some general formulas. Here what I use as general formula? Equation of polar. Equation of polar, equation of chord of contact, equation of tangent, these are same. You know those three are S1 is equals to 0. Here we are using the equation of polar, right? Now come to the next question. It is given that MSET 2015. The value of A such that the power of the point with respect to the circle is minus 16. The value of some unknown value A in this circle is given. Power of the point 16 is given as minus 60. You know power of the point formula. Power of the point. What is the formula? Yes. Power of the point is S11. S11 means what? We can substitute the same point in the equation of circle. No, that is all I am doing here. Given that S11 is indirectly minus 16. Power of the point is minus 60. We can substitute this is here 1 plus 6 square 36 plus 4 into 1 4 minus 36 into 6 36. With minus A is given as minus 16. Here plus 36 minus 36 gets cancelled. Minus A becomes minus 16 minus 5 is minus 21. What is indirectly A is equals to 21. Simple, very simple. we have to use a powder the point formula S11 here. Okay, these are the general formulas I didn't give in those 10 tips. 10 tips are different, which are mostly we are using. What are the general formulas you know very well? Those we can concentrate wherever maybe we need. Is it clear? Now come to the next question. Is given that MSET, I think so, 2017, I didn't write here, 2017 I think so. Okay, if the line these two are conjugate with respect to this circle, then K is equals to. Two lines are conjugate lines with respect to the circle. What is this circle? This circle is clearly general equation of circle S is equal to 0. If the general equation S is equal to 0 circle, what are the conditions for conjugate lines? Two conditions are given. First condition with respect to the standard equation. Second condition in tip number 2. Tip number 2 have given that condition I am using here. That is with respect to the circle S is equals to 0. Okay. Now what is the condition that is? Recollect the tip number. G square. G is a minus 1 whole square. G square is 1 plus F square is 1. And minus C is minus 1 of L1 L2. This is L1 K. L2 is a 5 plus M1 M2. 2 into minus 2 minus 4. This is left side is equals to L1G. L1G means what? You can substitute the 5 into minus 1 minus 5. M1, sorry, here. Okay. Any equation you can use first, but you can use first equation only. L1 is K into G is minus 1, that is minus K. M1 is 2. 2 into M minus F is minus 1. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Minus N1 you can use. Here minus 4 becomes here plus 4. We can refer the tip number. I didn't write the tip here, already given. You can refer it. Into, what is next into? L2. L2 is 5 into minus G. 5 into minus 1 here. G means half of this is 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. Then plus 4. Plus, minus N2 you have to write plus 4. By this simplification you can get K value. Here this is 1. 5K. 5K minus 4 is equals to here 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2, 2. That is minus K plus 2 of here 6 minus 1, 1. Therefore, this is minus K becomes 6K here. Minus A plus 5, 6K is equals to plus 2 plus 4 is 6. Therefore, the K value is 1. We can use a K value 1. Where what is used here? Tip number 6, second point. Right? So, now come to the next question. Is it clear? Very simple. We have to use the conjugate points, conjugate lines. Damn sure, mostly we will go. Now come to the question number 12. Is given MSET 2016. The angle between the tangents drawn from the origin to the circle. Angle between the tangents, what is the formula given? Refer the tip number 8. That is tan theta by 2 is equals to R by root S11. What is the point is given here? Point is indirectly, origin is given 0, 0. And this is a S11, you know, formula S1 mean is equals to, we can substitute this is here. In place of x1, y1, xy can take 0. This all total becomes 0. Only 4 is left over. This is S. What is the radius of the circle? Root over my G square means 4 plus F square is 9 minus 4. 4 gets cancelled, that is 3. You know S11 and 3. What is formula given the tip number? 8. Tan theta by 2 is equals to R by root S11. R is 3 by root S11 is root 4. Root 4 is 2. We got the tan theta by 2 is equals to, we want theta. To find out the theta, we can use the formula here. Tan theta formula, you know. Tan theta formula. What is tan theta formula? 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. 2 tan theta by 2 means 2 into 3 by 2 by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. Theta by 3 by 2 whole square is 9 by 4. By the cancellation of this is 3. 3 into here 4, under we can use a modulus. 4 minus 9 is minus 5. That is 4 into minus 5 by 4 means 4 by minus 5 under modulus. Under modulus minus becomes plus, you know that clearly. Indirectly theta is a tan inverse of 12 by 5. Okay, we can observe that is given that angle in that one, in that question is one of the option tan inverse 12 by 5. Right? This is angle between the two tangents formula used here. These are the major questions. So these are also given in previous MSET. Okay, now we'll look forward some more points. What is that we'll discuss now, right? So is it clear? Any doubts regarding this one? So can concentrate most of the questions. Read out the question carefully because this is theoretical chapter. For reading the question only, spend the time. You have to spend the time. Solution is very easy, but reading the question carefully. We have to read carefully, then you can get the clear idea about the data. Okay. Now look at the next question. Question number 13 is given at MSET 2017. What is the question here? The sum of the minimum and maximum distances from the point 4 minus to the circle. Sum of the minimum and maximum distances from a point 4 minus 3 to the circle. We can use the tip number 7. What is that? For this solution, you have to use the tip number 7. Sum of minimum maximum distances. What is the tip? Number 7 is the 2 mod Cp. What is the meaning of Cp? The distance between the center to the point. What is center of the circle? You know very well. Center C is a minus 2 comma 8, right? No, Cp, distance from center to this point. Distance from C to P, that is 2 into distance between the 2 points, you know very well, under root x2 minus x1 whole square, under root x2 minus x1. Suppose you can think this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So root over x2 minus x1 minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 whole square is 36 plus 8 minus or minus plus 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 11, 11 square 121. This is a 2 root 1 plus 7, 6 plus 1 7, 5, like 157. 2 root 157 you can get. This is a length of the, sum of the distances of minimum and maximum distances from a point to the circle. What is the tip I have given to you? In under tip number 7, 2 mod Cp, that all I use here. Distance between the 2 points formula you can use easily. Is it clear? So these are the various questions I discussed about the 10 magical tips to crack MSET previous years in the circle. Okay, from this one you can get the nearly 4 to 5 questions, including the system of circles. 6 questions also you can get. So this is very, very simple, but to try to understand the question, what is the given data, we can read the data clearly step by step, point wise point. We can't read at a stretch. If you read at a stretch the total question, you cannot get the idea about the given data. We can read the data carefully point to point. Then only you can get the clear idea about the solution within fraction of seconds. Tips or tricks we can use. Otherwise, sometimes you can use options also. Hope so. This is mostly helpful to you. Now, I am happily announcing the one more point, that is the coming projects in my channel. Okay, what are the coming projects in my channel? So, you can look at here, coming projects, JEE, Mains, Advanced as well as MSET, especially Mains of 2020 for the year 2020-21, JEE Mains and Advanced along with the MSET for the year 2022, as well as these are the objective type exams. You know, how can you focus the objective type examinations? In my channel, what are the amazing tips and tricks I am using, you know very well from the previous videos. Okay, so like this we can discuss more and more topics, entire topics for the JEE Mains MSET for the year 2021, JEE Mains MSET for the year 2022 to focus those years, as well as CBSE 11th to 12th standard, that is the board examination syllabus, inter first year syllabus, first year and second year IPE. These two we can use a very easy learning process. These are not objective, but you can learn easy learning process. I will teach how it is, you can get the idea when I start the videos. Okay, so nowadays they are giving the overwhelming response, means what? Most of them are supporting my channel. Thank you very much for your support. I am expecting same thing and more than that for the project also. Thank you one and all. So we'll cross 100 subscribers within the few days. So that is I'm so happy with your support. Like this we can support me by your likes, shares and subscribers. So encourage my channel. Definitely I will come forward with more projects with easy learning tips and tricks. Are you support? Yes, I'm expecting same thing. Now today I will end this video. In further video we will discuss with new topic. Till then, take care. Bye.